somebody else. Wow.
I have.
He shall not be named as of right now because he's not here.
Kevin?
Yes.
Can I pet it?
The Chicago Union Station is now arriving. Please stand behind the yellow line.
She wasn't thinking of it. She'll go on the other one.
Tigger, sit. Tigger, sit. Sit. Good boy.
GP's got a long line too.
They're all going to be long.
Yeah, they are, but
One more step. We got it. Hold on. Another one.
I'm going to go down first. Right in front of us, actually.
All right, here now. Get out. Don't touch any. Where's the horn? Horn.
Never, never, ever say that. Don't you ever dare that.
Boy, I'm button.
see the horn was.
Careful.
That would scare the hell away out of behind us.
Down here, it's going to be tricky getting down. Yeah, I wonder when you know where it's folded.
I just seen you.
Yeah, I've been getting in trouble, so it's a good.
I've seen you from the cab car almost every day.